Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch AU Optronic screen from its own LED strip to our SB series, which is super bright series LED kit. This kit including one LED strips, one heatsink, one driver, and one 6-pin pigtail connectors. So let's set aside the kit for a second, and then we're gonna look at the screen part numbers. Again, it's made by AU Optronic. The part number G104VN01 version 1. Again, G104VN01 version 1, which has its original LED strips. Okay, before we do that, I would like to do a simple comparison, and I have a control card here, and to see the difference with its original LED strip and after upgrade to our SB. So we're gonna simply hook it up really quick and use a Minolta light meter just to confirm. And okay, fire the generators, signal generators. Okay. Right. Remove covers, and this is a Minolta meters. I'm going to fire up. Okay, so just make sure I see. $371. $368.1. $369.1. Okay, it's pretty good. So it's about 370. Let's put it that way. With its original LED strip, LED drivers, its original LED driver. So let's shut off and upgrade to our SB series. It's a piece of foam. Okay, just to transfer. All right. So this screen, here's LC strip. This screen is a little bit tricky. We might have to take out this back covers. You see, first we had to remove the original LED strip first. Here's one screw holding a LED strip. So we're gonna take it out. Just pull the wires. There's a click on it, so we can just take it out. So take it out slowly. And two screws on each side holding the interface board and the bottom half of the aluminum back end. So I'm gonna, okay. All right, loosen up. Oops, sorry. Loosen up a little bit. Okay. So you get your hand underneath that, holding the glass. Okay. Okay. So we had to take out and just tilt up this one. Kind of tilt up, push down a little bit. So take it out. There you go. Okay, let's set aside the liquid glass. Take it off this back pan. All right, here's our LED kit strips. So it fits perfect. Okay, so next you peel off the double side tape. You see this black thing? That's we call high heat conductive tips. All right, so it's really sticky. This new stuff. Push it, push it. Just make sure it stick to the aluminum back end, so that way it will transfer heat much faster. It's done. Okay, get the liquid glass back. Remember, when you put it in, you got to put a little bit here. So let's do it this way. I want to. Oops. You also have to hold in the liquid glass too. Okay. Here we go. It goes in. Okay. Put it back. Okay, we put back the screw. We're gonna take a look. It's a tiny screw. Okay. Really tiny. Okay, just tip it back. For this screw, we don't need to put it back because it's with our LED driver, our LED strip, and don't need it. No need. Just add a piece of tape to. Well, before we do that, one more thing, we had to put the heatsink here, just in the center, and make sure the surface is clean. If you have alcohol, the best would be using alcohol to clean the surface. So this is thermal transfer tip. Okay, put it in center. Firmly press down. Add one more tip just to secure it. All right, so let's put it back. Connect to the controller and do the comparison. I have my own wire here. So this is the LED driver we're going to use. Okay. And this end would be on this end, yes. This end would be on this end, yes. That's it. Okay. The cable. Screen. Okay. And that's it. I'm going to fire up my generators. Connect the VGA. We are using the same controller board, so to test it, but different LED strips. Right? Whoa, you see the difference, huh? Alright, use the same meter, remove the cap. Okay, set that aside. Turn it on. We go in the same spot, see what happens. $15, $19. $15.37. $15.55. See the difference? Almost 5 times our measurements. So if you need sunlight readable and using the newer screen, which is you have LED screen, this is the way to go. To connect to it, let me shut off first. It's easy. You know, this end, all the pin out was printed on the drivers, and the pigtail is actually red is for input, black is for ground, white is for adjustment, and yellow is for enable. If you don't find enable voltage on your inverter wire harness, well, you should, because not inverter wire, on your original LED wire harness, you should have all this. In case you don't find it, then you can, on the CN1, you can short out between VIN and ENA. That will be it. Thanks for watching.